Maserati Quattroporte leak repairs. Maserati is an Italian luxury vehicle manufacturer. Established on 1 December 1914. In Bologna, Italy. The company's headquarters are now in Modena, and its emblem is a trident. The company has been owned by Stellantis since 2021. Maserati was initially associated with Ferrari. The 2019 Maserati Quattroporte is a luxury sedan that combines Italian elegance, high-performance capabilities, and a range of sophisticated features. As the flagship model of Maserati's lineup, it is designed to provide a blend of comfort, style, and sportiness. Here are some key details about the 2019 Maserati Quattroporte. Servicing a Maserati Quattroporte involves regular maintenance and care to ensure the optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle. While specific service requirements can vary based on the model year and exact specifications of your Quattroporte. Here are some general guidelines for Maserati maintenance. Regular maintenance schedule. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in your Maserati Quattroporte owner's manual. This schedule typically includes regular service intervals for items like oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and oil filter regularly according to the recommended intervals. High-performance vehicles like the Quattroporte often require premium synthetic oils. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace various fluids, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Brake system inspection. Inspect the brake system regularly, including checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate and balance the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and alignment, and replace tires when necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the air filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Check the battery regularly for corrosion and ensure it is securely mounted. Replace the battery as needed. Suspension system. Inspect the suspension system, including shocks and struts, for wear and damage. Replace components as needed. Cooling system. Keep the cooling system in good condition by checking coolant levels and ensuring the radiator is free of debris. Flush and replace coolant as recommended. Transmission service. Follow the recommended transmission service schedule, including fluid changes and inspections. Professional service. Seek professional service from authorized Maserati dealerships or certified auto service centers familiar with luxury and high-performance vehicles. Software updates. Stay informed about any software updates or recalls for your vehicle. These updates can be performed by authorized service centers. Specialized service for high-performance components. Given the performance nature of the Quattroporte, pay attention to specialized components such as the exhaust system, turbochargers, and other high-performance features. Warranty considerations. Adhere to warranty requirements and recommended service to maintain warranty coverage. Always refer to the specific owner's manual for your Maserati Quattroporte model year for precise information regarding maintenance intervals and service requirements. Regular servicing by qualified professionals will help ensure the longevity, safety, and performance of your Maserati Quattroporte.